Have you ever heard of green banana biomass? Very popular nowadays, it is made basically from green bananas. Did you know that bananas can be consumed even when still green? Many people still don't know it, but green bananas have wonderful benefits to our health. Many people only eat bananas when they get very ripe and yellow. But you should know that green bananas are full of potassium and fiber, important for people who suffer from digestive and intestinal problems such as constipation. The fruit alleviates constipation when eaten raw and fights diarrhea if eaten cooked. Besides that, bananas are easy to digest, easy to find, and easy to eat. Learn the main benefits of green banana. 1. Improves intestinal function. Green bananas regulate the intestines because the starch present in its composition acts as fiber. It increases the volume of feces and accelerates intestinal transit, which facilitates the elimination of fecal matter. It also helps with colon cancer prevention. 2. Good for your heart. Just like ripe bananas, the green ones are extremely rich in potassium. Potassium is important to keep an adequate renal function and is a powerful vasodilator, which keeps the levels of blood pressure under control. 3. Fights diabetes. Regular consumption of green banana can help control blood sugar levels, preventing or even fighting diabetes. 4. Helps with weight loss. Since they are full of fiber, they take a longer time to be digested, offering a sensation of satiety. Now that you know the 4 biggest benefits of green bananas, let's learn how to consume it. Are you enjoying the video? Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends to help the channel. Green banana can be used as a substitute for potato when cooked, but it can also be a dessert, combined with sugar or cinnamon. Green bananas are also a healthy snack and go well with many dishes. Learn how to make green banana biomass at home. The benefits of green banana biomass are mainly fight diarrhea and depression because of its tryptophan, which helps with serotonin formation, increasing the mood and the sensation of well-being. Nice, isn't it? Making it is very simple. You just need a bunch of green Cavendish bananas. Directions: remove the bananas from the bunch with care, keeping the stalks intact. Wash them with water and soap. Fill half of a pressure cooker with water and bring it to a boil. When it boils, put the bananas in the pressure cooker to cause a thermal shock. Cover the pressure cooker and let it cook on high heat until the pressure cooker starts hissing. Then lower the heat and wait 10 more minutes. Turn off the heat and wait for the steam to be released naturally. Open the cooker and grab the bananas, removing their pulps. Put the pulps in a blender or food processor and blend with some water, taking care not to add too much water. Don't let it cool down. Blend the pulp while hot until it forms a thick paste, which is the biomass, and it's ready. Now store it in small portions or in ice cube trays. You can use it to make juices and other recipes. But remember to never consume more than 2 tablespoons of biomass per day. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.